Street animals are a major issue in Egypt due to the absence of strict laws against animal cruelty and lack of animal rights awareness. Street animals are left on the streets to suffer from hunger, abuse, torture, and different diseases.
Street animals suffer a great ordeal on a daily basis. Shelters in Egypt are full of animals, and they are struggling to take care of all of them, which worsens the problem. Animal adoption rates are dropping, and they are very low. So as a solution, we created our app Stray Paws. Our solution is to introduce the concept of animal adoption through an app. Our app makes it possible for shelters and animal owners to put up pets for adoption through our app, and for people who wish to adopt could browse our gallery of apps and pick a pet to adopt.
Our app also has a feature that makes it possible to reach injured animal easily, using a camera and a GPS feature. People could take a picture for the animal and post its location in our app. This way, emergency service and people who wish to rescue animals could reach the animal more efficiently. Our main target audience are people who wish to help animals, and there are currently no other similar functioning apps in Egypt. Most people use Facebook groups and pages to share about injured animals and post about pets that are available for adoption.
According to our survey and poll, about 92% of people don't mind adopting a pet through an app. We consider our main competitors Facebook groups and pages. Stray Paws can reach a larger range of users than Facebook groups because the majority of people could access our apps through their phones easily. Our app is also more reliable than online groups because you can contact the owner of the pet directly. And unlike Facebook, the user could use our app to immediately share the location and picture of an injured animal, and it will be rescued quickly. Whereas on groups, the post could be lost due to the large number of posts, and it might be too late by the time the person reaches the animal.
Our app doesn't need a huge startup capital. The only fees that will face us during our launch are the Google Store fees. Since our business is non-profit, we have decided that all our fees will be used to expand our business and add more features to our app. During our research, we have found that more than 250,000 users are found in Facebook animal adoption groups, and there are numerous shelters that have their own page. Therefore, we predict about 30,000 downloads in our first year, and in our third year, we predict a drastic increase in the number of downloads because we plan to add new features like emergency service contacts and a registry of shelters and places to donate and volunteer to. It is expected that our number of downloads will increase gradually every year till we reach about 500,000 downloads in our fifth year. The gradual increase in our downloads is due to the fact that we plan on adding new features yearly. Our main revenue will be generated through different forms of ads. Since the number of downloads in our first year is about 30,000 downloads, we predict about 500 daily active users. Our first year revenue will be about $11,000. And this will increase between our second and third year to $107,000, till finally reaching about $344,000 in our fifth year. After subtracting our operating fees, our profit will be about $6,000 in our second year to $330,000 in our fifth year. We won't have a large operating fee in our first year, since we only plan on spending on office space, marketing and development starting from our second year. This results in a slightly more revenue in our first year than our second and third years. We also plan on employing 2 new specialized employees between our third and fifth year to help in the development of our business. We believe that every animal deserves to have a chance to be treated with love and care. We are highly passionate about animal rights, and we hope that no animal will have to suffer again anymore.